Bruh, you know what's so funny? Only the people that know shit about you can say shit to hurt you. See what I'm saying? Only the people that you care to share details with can really say shit to hurt you. So I'm gonna leave that at that.
Just block her. Her whole world gonna turn upside down.
Hello, is this Casey? He, he gave me this number because he saw me on the phone yesterday off rip. You know I can find Casey? But this nigga gave me the wrong phone number.
I was saying, you can't go back to his
Yeah, so I think once it's sold, it's out, but I'm gonna go through and see.
exactly.
Cause I don't trust. I might come outside and all my fucking tires flat and shit. You know what I'm laughing to actually? It's someone that I help so much. You know what I'm saying? Not just financially. Someone else got fired from her job on her off day. Work been giving her extra days off because they don't want to pay her because the lady threw something at her at work, her manager.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? It's someone I got to talk to daily to keep her calm to not lose her job. You know what I'm saying? So that's I'm like, yo, all that stuff to help keep you calm, help you take care of your daughter and stuff like that. You keep telling me, oh, your baby dad don't do shit and shit like that. Oh, he said he gonna give you $100 for the hoverboard for his daughter's birthday, but then he said next week, then the week come, he don't pay it. I don't like you know what I'm saying. I don't disrespect no nigga. I don't ask you none of that stuff. Like I still talk to you and keep you calm. Like yo, I'm gonna help you when I can help you and stay calm at work. Don't get fired from your job because your daughters need that shit. You know what I'm saying? So for you to be acting like this, no, I know you about to spiral down right now. You know what I'm saying? I know you're gonna go through all that shit. Your business just crashed because you can't log in and not getting your login to access my other clients' websites. You know what I'm saying? And access their money and not getting you that shit. Who gonna make your hoodies now? Because at the end of the day, I didn't ask you to pay up front. I was using my money to order your hoodies, right? So then you can't fulfill orders no more. You can't edit your website to sell your lashes. So when they place orders, the money come to me. How you gonna know who to ship to? Bro, people don't be fucking thinking. They just be. This happened numerous times. I gave her so many chances to yo stop fucking. Like, just stop saying stuff that you're gonna regret saying. I told her that shit numerous times.